Hello everyone. Today let's solve linked list circle. Given a linked list, determine if it has a circle in it. So we will have a head, start from given the starting node, we will detect whether or not we have the circle. So the easiest way is that we create a hash map, right? And store the nodes that we visit, right? And the time complexity for this algorithm is O(n), space complexity is O(n). Let's see how we implement the code. Okay. So a circle. So if the head is new, check the edge case. We just return false. And we need to create a hash table. I call it visit. And it's this node bool. So as long as our head is not equal to new, right? And then if our head is new, means that it doesn't have circle, so we just return false. So let's check here, visit. If visit this head before, right? We just return true, right? Else we just put the head to this hash map, and then head equals to head next. True. Okay. And let's see. Yeah, that's it. But there's a better way to solve this, because we can reduce the time complexity to a space complexity to O(n). Okay. This way we call it two pointer. Pointers. So we will have a fast and slow pointer. And as long as fast will start here, and as long as no, fast will start here, okay. And then as long as fast is not nil and the fast next is not nil, so we will move, okay. Start one, slow one position, but fast will move two positions, move two node, 1, 2, okay. So one node, right, and fast will move two node, 1, 2, right. So we'll keep moving, one node, two node. So as long as fast is surpass s, right, and to trace the s again, meet the slow pointer again, means that we have the circle in this linked list. So the time complexity for this is O(n), around O(n), and the space complexity is O(1). So let's see how we implement this code. Pointer circle 2, so it's the same. So we need to have slow and fast pointer. It's all point to the head, okay. And then as long as fast pointer is not equal to nil and fast next not equal to nil, right? Slow will go one step, and next will go two steps. That's the reason we have to check whether or not we have next. Otherwise, if next is new, and then we try to invoke, right? We'll try to get a value next from a new, we will panic. So, and then if slow equal to fast, then true. And yeah, that's it. So let's see. Yeah, and it's much faster, I think. So that's how we solve this question using hash table and two pointers. Thank you.